Hey everyone, welcome back to Time Shopping Guide. If you're new here, I'm Krishika, your fashion expert, and today we've got something absolutely fabulous lined up for you, my ladies. We're going to recreate a stunning look from none other than the gorgeous Shweta Tiwari. Yes, you heard that right. Her latest jaw-dropping style is all over the social media, and today we're going to help you steal the spotlight just like she does. Ready to turn heads? So let's get into the video. So let's talk about this stunning Aahwan solid square neck bodycon dress in brown. Ladies, this dress is a total game changer. It's sleek, chic, and it hugs your body in all the right places, just like Shweta's fabulous figure. The long sleeves add that perfect balance of chic elegance, making it ideal for an evening date or a dinner outing. The rich brown color gives you that warm, sophisticated vibe, and the best part, it's comfortable. You'll look amazing and feel confident all night long. If you really want to channel Shweta's effortless elegance, this is the dress you need to get your hands on. Available on Amazon. Now, we can't forget about the accessories. To complete this look, we're adding these Estele chocolate brown plated charming petite chunky hoop earrings. These beauties scream chic and sophistication. Crafted from alloy steel, these earrings are lightweight and bold, just like Shweta's impeccable style. The brown tone complements the dress beautifully and adds that perfect pop of charm. These hoops are versatile, trendy, and perfect for adding that finishing touch to any of your looks, just like Shweta. Next, we are going for a daring touch now. This is Asma Jewel House Punk Leather Face Collar Necklace. Now this is where we take Shweta's modern style and add a twist to it. It's edgy, it's bold, and it's going to make you stand out. This chunky leather necklace is the ultimate statement piece, and it's going to give you that extra edge and confidence to rock your look just like Shweta. Pair it with the bodycon dress and you'll be serving fierce vibes all day. Can you really feel that statement energy? I know you can. This necklace is amazing and trust me, it's a must-have accessory. Next, let's complete our accessory game with these fabulous pieces. First, the Vembley gold-plated 14-piece ring set. Ladies, these adjustable rings are the perfect addition to your outfit. Mix and match them for a layered, elegant vibe. Shweta loves to keep it simple yet stylish, and this ring set is the perfect way to do that. And to top it off now, let's add the shining Diva fashion gold-plated stylish Kada bangle cuff. This cuff is sleek, timeless, and adds that perfect balance of boldness and elegance. It's gold-plated, no gemstones, and it fits perfectly with our Shweta-inspired look. Now, to complete the look, we are going to elevate it with these Marc women slip-on casual solid pump heels. These heels are absolutely stunning. They are sophisticated yet comfortable with a pull-on closure and a rubber sole for stability. Whether you're walking the red carpet or just enjoying a date night, these pumps are your best friend. These pumps will give you the grace and elegance to walk just like Shweta Tiwari. How stunning this entire look has come together. From the sleek bodycon dress to the bold accessories and those perfect heels. You're all set to steal the spotlight just like Shweta Tiwari. This outfit is all about confidence, elegance, and a little bit of boldness. And I know you're going to rock it. So how did you like this recreation? Let us know in the comments below. If you're watching this video on Instagram, check out our product link in bio. And on YouTube, check the description box. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Time Shopping Guide, your guide